So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a brand new AI tool called GrokPrime AI. I'm going to show you exactly what it is, what it does, how it works, and whether it is actually worth your money. So just stick around and watch the video. Let's get into it. So first of all, what is GrokPrime AI? Simply put, it's an online AI tool. You don't need to download anything or install anything on your computer. You just open your browser, log in, and you are good to go. That's it. Now, the main thing about this tool is that it runs on Grok 4.5, which is one of the most powerful AI models available right now. But here's the thing, Grok Prime AI is not just a simple chatbot where you just ask questions and get answers. It's way more than that. Inside this one tool, you can create videos, build websites, make apps, generate images, create music, write marketing content, and a lot more. Everything is sitting inside one single dashboard. You don't need to jump between different tools or pay for multiple subscriptions. And the person who built this is Pransu Gupta. He has been launching AI tools for a while now, so he's not a new face in this industry. Okay, so now let me take you inside the tool and show you how it actually works. When you log in for the first time, you land on the main dashboard, and honestly, it is very clean and simple. Everything is right there in front of you, and you can get to any feature with just one click. So let me walk you through the main things you can do inside here. The first thing I want to show you is Grok Chat. This is basically the main chat area where you just type what you need in simple everyday English and the AI gets it done for you. So let's say you want to write a high converting sales page for a luxury real estate business. You just type that in, hit enter, and within seconds your entire sales page is ready. No writing experience needed, no copywriting skills needed, nothing. And what makes this even better is that you are not limited to just one AI model. You can choose from Grok 4.5, Grok 4, Grok 4 Heavy, Grok 3, Grok 3 Fast, Grok 3 Reasoning, Grok Deep Research, and more. And on top of all that, you also get access to other big AI models like GPT-5, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, and Kimi, all sitting inside the same dashboard. So you can just pick whichever model you want to use for any task. Now, the next feature is called Build with AI, and this one honestly blew me away. This is where you can actually build real things like websites, sales funnels, apps, games, and blogs just by describing what you want. So, for example, in the demo, they typed something like create a modern real estate website with property listings, agent profiles, a mortgage calculator, and a contact form. And within seconds, a fully working and fully responsive website was ready to preview and download. No coding, no design skills, nothing. Just a simple description and the whole website was done. They also did the same thing with a sales funnel, just described it and it was ready to launch. Then they built a fully working app the same way. And then, just to really show what this thing can do, they even built a bubble shooter game with smooth animations, colorful graphics, multiple levels, and everything just from a short description. The whole game was playable and ready to download. I mean, that is honestly pretty crazy when you think about. Then there is the studio section, and this is your go-to place for creating all kinds of content. So if you need AI images, you just describe what you want, like a luxury modern villa with a swimming pool and a sunset background, and the image is ready in seconds. You can regenerate it, save it, and download it anytime. If you need professional videos, same thing. You just describe the video you want, like a Hollywood style movie trailer about a robot saving humanity, and Grok Prime AI creates a professional looking video for you in minutes. No editing software, no experience needed at all. And they even have an AI music feature where you can create original songs with real lyrics and vocals. So if you need background music for your YouTube video or a catchy intro track, you just describe the style and mood you want, and the music is ready to preview and download. And finally, there is the AI writer section, which has over 100 ready-made templates for all kinds of content. So if you need a Facebook ad, an email, a product description, a blog post, or anything like that, you just pick the template that fits, describe what you need, choose your AI model, and your content is ready in seconds. You can also edit it, regenerate it, or refine it however you like before you use it. Okay, so now let's talk about the price, because this is honestly one of the best parts for this tool. Right now, GrokPrime AI is available for just $14.95, and that is a one-time payment. So you pay once and you are done. No monthly fees, no yearly fees, nothing like that. And on top of that, a commercial license is already included, which means you can use this tool to create stuff for your clients and keep all the money yourself. And don't forget to use the coupon code GrokPrime2 at checkout to get $2 off. And if for any reason you feel like this tool is not for you, there is a 30-day money back guarantee. So you can get your money back with no problem. Now, there are also some optional upgrades available if you want to do more with the tool. The unlimited edition is between 67 and 97, and it gives you more room to work on bigger projects. The done for you edition is $77, and it comes with ready-made websites and funnels that you can just use straight away. The automation edition is $67, and it lets you schedule things and auto-publish your content. The profile system edition is $37, and it helps you find clients and grow your business. The business accelerator is $47, and it gives you faster performance and access to better AI models. The agency edition is $197, and it is for people who want to manage multiple clients from one place. The reseller edition is between $67 and $97, and lets you sell GrokPrime AI as your own product and keep the profit. And the white label edition is $297, which lets you fully rebrand the whole tool with your own name and logo. Okay, so before I wrap up, I want to tell you about something extra that you are going to get when you buy GrokPrime AI through my link. Along with the tool itself, I am also giving you 21 exclusive bonuses completely for free. These are bonuses that I have put together myself, and you won't find them anywhere else. To check them out, just check out the link in the description below. Alright, to wrap this up, GrokPrime AI is a genuinely interesting tool. For $14.95 one-time payment, you are getting access to Grok 4.5, multiple other top AI models, and a full creative suite for videos, websites, apps, images, music, and marketing content. It's built for people who want everything in one place without paying multiple subscriptions every month. So if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.